Liquid cooling can make your computer faster, quieter, and look awesome. Here's how it works. When your CPU gets hot, instead